ऑलिगोपॉली एंड इट्स फीचर्स। आज का टॉपिक है ऑलिगोपॉली एंड इट्स फीचर्स। Oligopoly is a form of imperfect market. It is one of the form of imperfect market. तो imperfect market में हमें मोनोपोली है, डिओपॉली है और ऑलिगोपॉली है। Monopoly means when there is only one seller or producer. डिओपॉली में दो सेलर होते हैं और ऑलिगोपॉली में more than two or few. We can say when there are few sellers or producers. So आप लिख लीजिए ऑलिगोपॉली इज ए मार्केट। ऑलिगोपॉली was derived from two words. One is oligo, which means few, and poly means sellers. So oligopoly is a market in which there are few sellers. Thus, oligopoly is a market in which there are few sellers. There are few sellers or producers producing and selling a particular product producing and selling a particular product with close substitutes. So it is a form of market in which there are few sellers or producers selling a particular commodity, but number of buyers is large. So it is a market in which there are few sellers or producers producing and selling a particular product with close substitutes, but number of buyers is large. So we can say it is a market in which there is competition among few. There is competition among, so in this market, there is competition among few. So such a market in which there is competition among few. So also in this market, one or more sellers can affect price, supply, or output in the market. So unlike perfect competition, in this market, one or more sellers can affect market price or market supply or output, etc. So in this market, one or more sellers, एक seller या एक से ज्यादा seller can affect the market price, supply, output, etc. So perfect competition में there are large number of unlimited sellers or producers, but in this market there are few sellers. So in perfect competition, we know that one or more sellers cannot affect the market price, but here one or more sellers can affect the market price. So that is why we can say there is high degree of dependence or interdependence among sellers. यम seller च आसान पानवे हम अक्की से आसान interdependent. अगर अक कर कहाँ action, अगर एक action लेगा regarding price, regarding supply, regarding packing, regarding design, quality of the product, it can have direct effect on others. That's why we can say the sellers or producers are interdependent on each other. So in this market, the sellers or producers are interdependent on each other. So they are interdependent or dependent on each other because action by one can have direct effect on others. अगर एक, for example, this is market. This is oligopoly market in which there are few sellers which can be counted, even which can be counted. अगर एक price में change करेगा, fall करेगा, if one decreases its price, it can have direct effect on others. इतना बाकियों पर असर, जो बाकियों की डिमांड है, सप्लाई है, प्राइस है, वो उस पे इफेक्ट करेगा. So action by one can have direct effect on all or others. So that is why we can say firms in this market are interdependent on each other. So there are only few sellers. Price and output decisions of one seller have significant impact or effect on the price and output of others. So any change in price or output by one have direct effect on others. Accordingly, there is severe competition in the market called cutthroat competition. There is cutthroat competition in the market between the sellers. So we can give example. There are only a few auto producers in Indian market. For example, vehicles are produced by few producers in India. There are few producers in India who produce cars. For example, we have Maruti, we have Tata, we have Chevrolet, we have Hyundai, etc. These are few. If one of them decreases or increases its price or output or supply or design or quality, it can have direct effect on others' demand. It can have direct effect on others' demand. So this is a situation of market which is called oligopoly market. So now what are the features of this market? ये हो गया, meaning हो गई.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A market in which there are few sellers or producers producing and selling a particular product with close substitutes. Close substitutes means मैंने अभी आपको example दी, there are few producers of cars in India. Maruti Suzuki है, Tata है, Chevrolet है, Hyundai है,
Each other.
So they have competition with each other. They have competition with each other.
Each other.
Yes. लिखिए features. क्या क्या है? Features of oligopoly market or as under. Number first feature लिखिए few firms or producers. There are few sellers. Few firms or sellers. There are few sellers or producers in this market selling a particular product
Product.
with close substitutes. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? जो मोनोपोली मार्केट है इसमें वन सेलर है, एक ही सेलर है, खुद मालिक होता है मार्केट में. हमने परफेक्ट कंपटीशन पढ़ा है, ये मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं. उसमें लार्ज है, यू कैन नॉट काउंट. So this is competition between large number of buyers, these sellers. इसके दरमियान, इन दो के दरमियान एक मार्केट है जिसको हम ऑलिगोपोली कहते हैं. Between one and large there are few जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 है. टू कैटेगरी में हम डिओपोली रखते हैं, more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which can be counted. So ये है फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रोड्यूसर्स और सेलर्स, दे हैव कंपटीशन विथ ईच अदर. अगर एक प्राइस या आउटपुट या पैकिंग में किसी चीज में चेंज करता है, उसका डायरेक्ट असर दूसरे पे पड़ता है. सो फर्स्ट फीचर इज
Few sellers.
or few sellers. Number 7,
Interdependent.
a large number of buyers. Buyers तो large number में, large number of
Buyers.
So in this market there is large number of buyers for a commodity. There are large number of buyers for a commodity in this market. ठीक है? The number is so large that no individual buyer be varying his demand can impact the market price of the product. So number of buyers is so large. The number of buyers is so large that one buyer or a particular buyer cannot affect price or demand. एक पर्टिकुलर बायर के भाग जाने से या आने से, मार्केट में आने से मार्केट प्राइस पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा. यस. नंबर 3, हाई डिग्री ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंस, जो हम अभी डिस्कस करते थे. हाई डिग्री ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंस. डिपेंडेंस मीन्स इन्हिसार, एक दूसरे पे मुनहसर होना. Interdependence, they are the farmers or sellers or producers, they are interdependent on, they are dependent on each other. If one takes any action, if any change by one firm regarding price, regarding packing, regarding design, quality of the product, it can have direct effect on the demand and price of others. There is high degree of interdependence between firms. Price and output policy of one significantly impact any change in price or output.
Most of all
by one firm has direct effect on others. Yes, price and output policy of one firm significantly impact the price and output policy of its rival firms in the market. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we can say the firms are interdependent on each other with respect to with respect to price, output, quality, design, etc. So agar change kari pannis products mas pannis supply mas emok asar pe imsines rival. Accordingly, while taking any decision on price output, a firm must take into account the possible reaction of its rival firms. Emis gode sochun agar bo price change kare emok asar kya pe bakin tum kya reaction din mein or what they will react on their part. हो गया ये?
Yes, sir.
Next stop लिख लीजिए, formation of cotols. Formation of cotols. Formation of cotols. Cotols we discussed it yesterday. Cotols क्या होते हैं? Formation of agreement. Cotol means when firms form a mutual agreement, a mutual consensus on price, supply, output, etc. So when they form an association, a collective agreement, that is called a cotol. A group of firms can form a cotol. So with a view to avoid competition, firms may form cotols. In this market, firms may form
same industry.
Cotols. Firms may form cotols to avoid competition. To avoid competition. कभी ऐसी चालबाजी भी करते हैं. These are few firms. वो एक ही जगह जुमा होते हैं और एक एग्रीमेंट बना देते हैं, एसोसिएशन फोरम बना देते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना देते हैं और एक ही प्राइस फिक्स करते हैं टू अवॉइड कंपटीशन.
Satosh mute थोमत.
हो गया ठीक?
Yes, sir.
So here number of firms is few. So it is very easy for few firms to form an organization, a mutual agreement, a form of agreement. एक ही कंसेंसस पे वो आते हैं, एक ही बात पे आते हैं, वो फोरम बनाते हैं, एसोसिएशन बनाते हैं to avoid competition. तुम जो पानवे बरादरी करा, आप कोई ग्रुप बनावा, आप कोई प्राइस करा.
Dependent each other.
Yes. Firms may form cotols to avoid competition with each other in this market. Cotol is a form of agreement.
Yes, sir.
Form of agreement between the firms. Between the firms. To avoid competition.
Yes, sir.
To avoid competition. So it is formal agreement between the firms to avoid competition. So it is a situation of coalescence. It is when firms form cotol, जब firms cotol form करते हैं, it is called coalescence oligopoly. It is called a coalescence oligopoly. जब फर्म्स कॉटॉल फॉर्म करते हैं तो उस ओलिगोपोली को हम क्या कहते हैं? कोलेस्यू ओलिगोपोली. It is a situation of coalescence oligopoly. So under it, output, quota, and prices are fixed. Under coalescence oligopoly, under coalesctive oligopoly. Under coalesctive oligopoly, the firms fix price, output, and quota. The firms fix price, output, quota, etc. ठीक है, नीचे मैंने लिखा है ये.
Yes, sir.
Under coalesctive oligopoly, the firms
Fixed price.
the firms fix
Fixed
price,
price output.
output, quota, etc. Firms fix price, output, quota, etc. Price, quota, output, etc. So what is COTOL? COTOL is a formal agreement between the firms to avoid competition.
Yes, sir.
Firms collide or they make collision to avoid competition. They fix their
Yes, sir.
own output, their own quota and product price. Collectively, they try to earn monopoly profit. In this way, when firms form COTOL, they exist or they fix the monopoly price and enjoy monopoly power and monopoly profit. So whenever COTOL is formed by the firms, they enjoy monopoly power. वो monopoly बन जाते. For example, OPEC. OPEC हमारे पास है Organization of Petroleum Countries. For example, OPEC, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. कितने हो गए? कितने फीचर्स हो गए? 4. हाँ, 4 हो गए. Fifth one is barrier.
Sir, organization of sir, full form क्या है?
Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. OPEC, OPEC. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. जिस तरह वो सऊदी अरबिया है, इराक है, वो ईरान, इस तरह वो है, और लीबिया है, अरबियन कंट्रीज जो पेट्रोल प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Number 5th one is barriers. So there is restriction upon the firms to enter in the market or leave the market. There are restrictions. There are restrictions upon firms to enter or leave the market. To enter the market.
Sir, ऐसा नहीं है.
जिस तरह वहां फ्री एंट्री एंड एग्जिट ऑफ फर्म्स ये है. Barriers. There are restrictions upon firms to enter the market. So new firms are not allowed to enter the market. There are barriers similar to those under monopoly. So there are barriers similar to monopoly. So firms cannot enter the market. Entry of new firms is very difficult. So we can say entry of new firms is very difficult. For new firms, it is very difficult to enter the market. कितने हो गए? 5. 6th one है indeterminate demand करो. So demand curve is not determined in this market for a firm. Why? There is high degree of interdependence between firms. Price and output policy of one firm impacts the price and output policy of the another firm. It is not possible to determine the demand curve for a firm. It is not possible to determine the demand curve for a firm. एक फर्म की डिमांड करूं यहां हम डिटरमाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं. Why? Because change in price by one firm have direct effect on another firm. They will react on their part and firm's demand curve will change. समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
It is not possible to determine the demand curve for a firm. Generally, the demand curve for a firm under imperfect market is this, like this. When price decreases, demand increases. When price increases, demand decreases. यह है ना demand curve. यह है demand.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन यहाँ मुमकिन नहीं है. अगर कोई फर्म अपना प्राइस कम करेगा with the expectation that I will increase the demand, but that is not possible. Others will follow. अगर मैं एक फर्म चलाता हूं अंडर ओलिगोपोली, मैं प्राइस कम करूंगा, मुझे यह उम्मीद रहेगी कि मेरी डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
बट माय राइवल फर्म, जो मेरे हमसाया फर्म है, मुखालिफ फर्म्स हैं, वो भी प्राइस कम करेंगे, मेरी डिमांड नहीं बढ़ सकती है.
No, sir.
अगर मैंने 10% प्राइस कम किया, अगर उन्हें 20% कर दिया, मेरी तो डिमांड कम ही हो जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
So it is not possible for a firm to determine its demand curve because it is not possible to predict it. Because it is not possible to predict. Predict होगी पेशेंट गोई करना, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि it is not possible to predict change in price. Change in price by one firm, or we can say it is not possible to predict the change in it is not possible to predict the change in demand. Change in demand due to change in price. Due to change in price. कितनी डिमांड में चेंज आ गई अगर मैं प्राइस चेंज करूंगा. So it is not possible to predict the change in demand due to change in price. For example, if a firm lowers its price, demand for its product may not increase because the rival firms may also lower the price. For example, हम ये एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं. When a firm lowers its price, अगर एक फर्म ने अपना प्राइस कम किया, demand for its product may not increase. The quantity demand for its product may not increase. एक फर्म ने अपना प्राइस कम किया इस उम्मीद से मेरी डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी. Instead, its demand can decrease or it may not increase. It may not increase because the rival firms may also lower its price. May also lower their prices.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we cannot, that is why we cannot determine the demand of a firm. So this can be a separate question. Why is firm's demand curve indeterminate under oligopoly? Why is a firm's demand curve indeterminate under oligopoly. So these are the features of oligopoly, meaning of oligopoly and features of oligopoly. Thus we can say oligopoly is that market in which there are few sellers or producers
Yes.
selling and producing a particular product with close substitutes. It is also called competition among few. Competition among few. In this market, one or more sellers can affect the price supply in the market. Features क्या क्या हैं? Few firms हैं, large number of buyers हैं, इसी तरह formation of cut-all है, high degree of interdependence between the firms हैं, barriers on the firms to enter the market.
Yes,
इसी
sir.
तरह यहाँ पे
In-
large number of buyers हैं,
Yes, sir.
indeterminate demand curve है. These are the features of oligopoly.
Oligopoly.
Oligopoly, हाँ. So this is all about the oligopoly market. तो इसकी एक फॉर्म हमें पढ़नी है which in your syllabus, very important topic जो एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. It's always asked in the examination. That is monopolistic competition. What is
Yes, sir.
monopolistic competition?
Competition.
Probably वो हम कल पढ़ेंगे. कल हम उस पे
Yes, sir.
डिस्कस करेंगे. Very important topic in economics as well as in your syllabus. बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है. ठीक है,
Yes,
आज
sir.
इतना ही पढ़ेंगे या और कोई आपको लिखना है? कुछ लिखोगे कुछ? क्या इतना ही पढ़ोगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, be paro.
एक कट-ऑल हो गया. कट-ऑल की मैं अलग से आपको डेफिनेशन भी दे सकता हूँ.
Hello.
What is कट-ऑल?
Yes, sir. You paro weekend.
अलग लिखोगे एक क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज कट-ऑल. कल मैंने लिखा है, अभी कल के लेक्चर में भी है. मुझे पता नहीं आप देखते हो यूट्यूब पे लेक्चर, में ग्रुप में भी छोड़ता हूँ. ग्रुपस में तरावान ये what is कट-ऑल? CRTEL. What is कट-ऑल? When a group of firms,
When a group
or sellers or producers, firms or sellers or producers
that agree to
Form.
increase by fixing price and not come.
an association or organization form an association or organization
Organization.
form an association or organization to fix one price, price, output
And not compete.
and quota, etc. To avoid competition. To avoid competition between each other. Between
Each other.
is called kट-ऑल. It's a formal agreement. It is a
Formal agreement.
Formal agreement among firms. Among firms about price and output. It is formed to enjoy monopoly power. It is formed by the firms to enjoy monopoly power. For example, OPEC, OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, set up
Countries.
in 1960 by world's 5 major oil producing countries.
Yes, sir.
By world's
Yes, sir.
5 major oil producing countries. Countries like Iran, Iraq,
Yes, sir.
Saudi Arabia, Ox 3, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Venezuela, So we can say it is a collective decision-making body. Thus, COTOL is a collective decision-making body. It is a decision-making body formed by a group of firms. Formed by a group of firms. Firms to avoid competition. And enjoy monopoly. So this is the meaning of